down this street before, but the pavement always stayed beneath my feet before. All at once am I several stories high, knowing I'm on the street where you live. Do the lilacs bloom in the heart of town? Can you hear a lark in any other part of town? Does enchantment pour out of every door? No, it's just on the street where you live. And oh, that towering feeling, just to know somehow you are near. The overpowering feeling that any second you may suddenly appear. People stop and stare, but they don't bother me, for there's nowhere else on earth that I would rather be. And as time goes by, I won't care if I can't be here on the street where you live. Does enchantment pour out of every door? No, it's just on the street where you live. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That towering feeling, just to know somehow you are near. The overpowering feeling that any second you may suddenly appear. People stop and stare, but they don't bother me, for there is nowhere else on earth that I would rather be. And as time goes by, I won't care if I can't be here on the street where you live. Can't be here on the street where you live.